Friends, welcome in my show Popular Academy Biology. Today we will discuss a very important concept in animal physiology, muscular system and locomotion. Muscular system and locomotion. This muscular system mainly consists of variety of muscles in our body and it is mesodermal in origin. In general, three basic types of muscles are present in our body. One are known as skeletal muscle. One are known as skeletal muscle. Another one is smooth muscle in our body, and the last one is cardiac muscle. All the three different type of muscles have different property. Like skeletal muscle are voluntary, while smooth and cardiac muscles are involuntary in nature. Skeletal muscle attached with our skeleton, different parts of our bone, jaws, forelimb, hind limb. Smooth muscles are present in internal body organ, and cardiac muscles are located on the wall of heart, auricle and ventricle. And very clear, skeletal muscles are multinucleate, while other two muscles are uninucleate, that are smooth and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are cylindrical in shape. Cardiac are also cylindrical, but smooth muscles are spindle shaped in structure. These skeletal muscles have striations, linings in their structure, so these are known as striated muscle. Skeletal muscle are striated muscle. Smooth muscles do not have striations, so non-striated muscle. And these are also striated muscle, cardiac muscle. So these three different type of muscles are located in our body, and we will discuss a very clear structure of skeletal muscle in our body. For the study of skeletal muscle, we will study the organ as tissue, and any type of tissue. In case of muscle, the outer covering is called epimysium, and second most covering is perimysium, in which the skeletal muscles are located as parallel fibers, and these skeletal muscles are present in group bunches known as fasciculi, and each skeletal muscle cell is also covered with a covering known as endomysium. Now each skeletal muscle in this tissue is represented as myofilament, myofibrils, and each skeletal muscle has a plasma membrane which is termed as sarcolemma. Plasma lemma is known as sarcolemma in case of muscle fiber, muscle cell. Cytoplasm is known as sarcoplasm in case of muscle cell. And endoplasmic reticulum is called sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is characteristically filled with calcium ion. So it is important to remember that these terms sarcolemma, sarcoplasm, sarcoplasmic reticulum in case of muscle cell, and in large view of skeletal muscle shows striations, lines with different types of bands. It is called A band, it is I band. A band is dark, I band is light, and in each I band there is a Z line in center, and distance between two Z line is sarcomere. The sarcomere represent half I band, A band, and half I band again. In the detailed structure, skeletal muscle has actin and myosin protein, myosin filament. Actin filament make light band, I band, and myosin filament make dark band or anisotropic. And in the clear, there is a H zone in the center of A band in the clear diagram. So skeletal muscle are represented by different alternate light and dark band known as A band and I band. It is remembered by a simple term known as दहलीज. याद करने के लिए है ये, learn करने के लिए. Dark band, anisotropic and H zone. It is separated light band, isotropic and Z line. So it is clear that skeletal muscle have alternate light and dark band, isotropic and anisotropic, and the skeletal muscle have unique property of excitation and contraction and relaxation. Please like, subscribe and share my video and channel. Thank you.